guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ipsy, and today we are opening up May's Ipsy bags. Well, box bag plus Bam, that good stuff, you know. These shipped out pretty quickly. Actually, one of these said that they were gonna come Saturday, but they came early, and I was like, look at you doing so good with the shipping lately. So I'm really excited. So Ipsy is a monthly subscription. They have 3 different levels. They have the regular Ipsy Glam bag, the Ipsy Glam bag plus, and then the Ipsy Ultimate. I only have the Ipsy bag and plus. I do not have the Ultimate. I'm thinking about it, still debating it. We will see as life goes on, but for now we just have these 2. So the regular bag is $12 a month, and then the plus is $25 a month, which usually they come up for more than what they are, and they all come with a little bag inside. If you would like to sign up for Ipsy, I will leave a link down below for you guys. So let's just open up the bag first. I get so confused sometimes because it's like so much going on with the back and the bag plus, and then it's just all this. So we got the trusty scissors, and we're just going to open it up. I don't know why I do this when it literally has a seal that you can just tear out. Oh, see, look at that. See, and then I go with the struggle with scissors. I don't understand. Okay, so let's take a look at the bag. This is so cute. It's like this nice little pink to like orange yellow ombre. I am obsessed, and it's so small, and it's so, oh, it's so like simple. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So let's just open it up. Hopefully there's a card. Yes, Mama loves her cards because, you know, Mama don't like looking stuff up. So let's look it up. They got a lot of good goodies in here, so I'm excited about that. So the first thing that we have is the Roller Lash mascara. It is a deluxe sample size, I can tell you that right now. This is not full size. The card says nothing. Wait, drop that real quick. The card says nothing. The card says nothing. It doesn't say any of the items that I have in here. It's just like a promotion of, like, you know, add-ons, the Ultimate Ipster deal, and glow and highlight 101, and it's just, it looks like I'm looking it up again. Well, actually not for this one particularly, but for like the plus, I have to search it up myself. I will tell you what the prices are for the full size ones. I don't know what is full size right now because it doesn't really say what's full size or what's deluxe size in here. I know this is deluxe size though, and it is a mascara, and actually I never tried their Roller Lash mascara, so I think this is really cute. I would love to try it, see how it is. And the next thing that we have is stuck together. Okay, so let's go with this one first. This is the Lasting Smile for a Cause, supports global water projects. Peach Blossom Organic Lip Balm. Yes, I love lip balms. I obsessed with lip balm, so obviously I believe this is a full size. I would just have to look up and see how much it values at, but I'm really excited about that because a girl loves to keep her lips hydrated. Okay. So the next thing that I was originally taking out is secured in this little bubble wrap. This is so tiny. This is the Space Case Cosmetics Eyeshadow Intense Stargasm. I am obsessed with this packaging. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a little UFO, like a little spaceship, and like little beams coming out. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. So let's open this up. Got it. So, oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so not just like the packaging, it's like they stick to that whole spaceship theme in the corner. I don't know if you can see the spaceship there. But this, oh my goodness. This is such a pretty shade. Oh my goodness. I said it's this intense stargasm. I don't know what's going on, so let's just watch it. It's so creamy, let me tell you. This is such a pretty, like, it's not as blinding as I thought it was gonna be. I think it's more of a muted, like the tone of the tone of the shade gives it more of a muted, like, shimmerness to it, but I think it's really pretty. The next thing that we have is Sundays. I'm assuming that's what it says, because that UN little area is a little confusing to me. Yeah, so Sundays number 8. I don't know, show us your Sundays look. 10 free, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty free. I don't know what this is. Okay, so let's just open it. Maybe that'll give me a better show us your Sundays look. I don't know what this is though. I can't. Oh my goodness, this is a nail polish in the shade number 8. Oh my goodness, look how pretty this color is. Like a little baby pink. My nails aren't done. I'm sorry. I haven't been really doing my nails lately. Well, I mean, I have, but like they don't last long. Like I do them one day, and then like the next day, I take them off or so. Like give it like 2 or 3 days. But let's just paint my nail. This shade is so pretty. It's such like a naturally babyish pink. I'm obsessed. Like I've really been obsessed with nail polish lately. So pretty excited about that. So let's move on to the last thing in here, which is yes. So this is from Marc Anthony True Professional. I've actually been using their curling cream. I think that's what it's called, coil, something like that, and it smells so good and it's so nice on my hair. But this is the 100% extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter leave-in conditioner. Oh my gosh, yes. Detangle and hydrate hair, damaged hair into soft, smooth, healthy looking hair. Oh my gosh. But it's sealed, so I can't really smell it, so I'm hoping it might just smell like coconut oil. Oh, I love the smell of coconut oil. Just coconut in general. This smells so good. I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited for this. I don't think that this is the full size. I've been using their products. I've been loving it so far, and I'm excited to get this. So let's just throw everything back into the bag. That's all I got for my Ipsy. I'm actually pretty impressed. I'm impressed with the chapstick, yes. I'm loving nail polish, so yes. The hair product, yes. I think that's my favorite thing in this bag, honestly, for the Ipsy regular. The mascara, I love mascara, and it's small, but I think it's nice to like just carry around in your bag. And then this eyeshadow, I think it's really pretty. I love the packaging, like, and the carton and everything. I like this. I like this bag, yes. So now we're just gonna wipe this off, and we are going to go into the Glam Bag Plus. I heard it rattle when I did that. Ooh, hopefully I didn't mess anything up. And then we're gonna take the trusty scissors. We're gonna open it up. Okay, so let me know. Do we get anything good? Let's try this again. Anything good? Okay, so it looks what's the word? Skinny. And okay, so this card does not say anything either. Like, it doesn't have any prices, and now they're just making me do more work. But okay, so the first thing I see, oh my gosh, is the bag. Of course I go for the bag first. This bag is so pretty. It's like ombre, but the other way, it's like a bluish, like orange yellow, and then it has a little tassel. OMG, this is so cute. Yes, obsessed. I just love their bags. I think that's like, I just love them. So let's move on. So the first thing I see in here is from Girl Actic. I actually have their eyeliner, but I think that Ipsy gave it to me, if I'm not mistaken. So we'll see. This is the Skin Glow Duo. Ooh. So I'm assuming this is a highlighter. Don't say Skin Glow if you ain't a highlighter, boo. That's all I'm saying. The Skin Glow Moonlight. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so it looks like this. I love the packaging. I love like how they kept with their Girl Actic, like the little chandelier, I'm assuming, kind of thing that they have here. I don't know if it's focusing on there. But oh, this is so pretty. This is actually cream. Oh, so it's like a cream highlighter. It's so pretty. Let's just swatch that. Because I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's really pretty. This one I feel like you can't really tell when it's on, so I don't know. I feel like this one is a little bit more subtle, and this one's like very pinky, obviously, but I think that they're really pretty. So we will have to see how they look on. But on swatching, it's very subtle. It doesn't look like it's gonna give me like a huge glow, but it is also cream. So we'll see. We'll see. Oh my gosh, I didn't notice until I was putting the highlighter in there. If you can see the inside of this bag, it's so pretty. I'm obsessed. I love this bag. It's so cute. Okay, next thing we have is In Beauty Project. It is the Glaze #1 Lip Oil in Candy Apple for soft, plump, and supple lips. Plump, hydrate, and smooth. Yes. And I was just saying, I'm all about, you know, soft lips and hydrated hair. This is so cute. It kind of reminds me of, you know, the caution tape. That's what kind of looks like with the yellow, and then the In Beauty Project. I don't know if the camera's picking up, but like that's what kind of like it reminds me of. So let's just smell these. Yes, 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 yes. It doesn't smell as sweet as I thought it would. Wow, this tofu applicator is huge. Huge. It's a lip oil, right? Glaze lip oil, #1. Glaze #1? Does that mean like that's the number? Like it's the #1 candy apple, #2 is like banana, #3 is like watermelon. Is that what that meant? Smells good. So I'm excited about this. Okay, what else we got? We got some brushes, baby. You know I love my brushes. Okay, so this is a 2 for a 5-piece brush. It is from MOTD. Let me open this up. Okay. It kind of sucks that the card that they gave me didn't really say anything about like prices or just any of that. So I have to like actually look all this up. Because I feel like I don't get a good same reaction as if I can be like, wow, this lip oil, for example, this lip oil is so good, it smells so good, it's and it'd be like, oh, it's $68, and I'm like, what? You know, that's what I like to do. I want a reaction to prices too, not just the product. So anyway, brushes. This is really cute. So it comes with like a little pencil, a little pencil brush, a nice little angled like kind of brow brush, a more dense kind of like crease brush. It's slash pointer kind of, but mostly crease. Then we have like this really flat lip brush, but I don't use that for the lips. I'm going to use that like to cut my crease or something. And then we have this nice little shadow brush. Yes, 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 yes. You know me and my brushes. My collection just keeps growing. Okay. So let's just see if that fits in the bag. It does not. So they're just gonna hang out. They're gonna hang on the top. This tassel, oh my god, it's so pretty. It gets me every time. So the next thing that we have here is the Sugar Rush by Tarte, the Sugar Coat Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sprinkle. Let's talk about this packaging. I think it's so cute. It looks like a waffle cone for like ice cream. Yes, love it. So cute. So let's just open it up. Oh, and like when you open it, it's like little ice creams there. I don't know if it focuses on it. So let's just, this packaging is so nice. It feels so nice. Actually, I used to have, I think I still have it now. It's their lip crayons, and it's the same material. If anyone owns their lip crayons or ever owned their lip crayon, like that material that they have for the lip crayon, this is the same material that the packaging is, and I freaking love it. Okay, so let's just open this. Oh, I feel like they had a missed market when they didn't make it smell like candy or like desserts, because I feel like that would have like took it over the top. But let's just swatch it. But it kind of looked a little sheer. I went back and forth with it, and it kind of gave it more coverage, but it did look a little sheer. So we will have to see how that goes, how that plays out. But I think that the color is so pretty. I think it's that right shade, whereas like you want something a little bit natural but not too natural, because you want that little bit of color. That's what that is, and that's what I like. So let's clean that off. I should have left it to see how long it dries. It's too late now. But it was already drying because it's like already staining my hand. So yeah. And the last thing that we have is the Vineyard Soire eyeshadow palette. Oh, by Colored Rain. Oh my gosh, I did not think this was gonna be a little eyeshadow palette. It is vegan, cruelty free, paraben free, and gluten free. Let's open this up. Goodness, this is so cute. I love the packaging. It's like so classic and classy, and like makes it look very high end. So I want to know how much this cost. So it's like all white, and then it has like the golds around, like the gold rimmings. So let's just, yeah, this looks like very expensive kind of palette, you know. Wow, look how sleek this looks. So sleek. Oh, I'm so nervous. Is it gonna be colors? Is it gonna be neutrals? You guys look first. You tell me what this palette looks like. Okay, if I can open it, we can do it. Does it have a mirror? Sorry guys, the battery died. So yeah, but anyways, like look at this palette. It's so freaking cute. I love it. It's very like burgundy kind of esque coloring. I think it's so pretty. We're just gonna swatch some of the colors. Let's take these three because they're really like popping out to me. So pretty. So we got these on our fingers. Yes, these are so pretty. They were so creamy when I touched them. The pigment is insane. Oh my goodness, I didn't think I was, because I didn't really go hard on the palette. I just like did a little touch, you know. So I didn't think it would be that much coming off. I thought it was it's so nice. It's so pretty. I love it. I love it. So the total value of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus will be somewhere in this vicinity. What did you guys think of this month's Ipsy's? I loved both boxes. Believe it or not, I think this is one of the months that I've been impressed with both. Like absolutely, I loved both. Like everything in that came inside of both. I will use everything that came in both. I don't know. I like both of them, and I think that they did a great job this month. I am super impressed with it. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, leave a little comment down below, whether it's for any other subscription boxes, any mystery boxes, anything you want me to review, anything that's anything, just let me know and I will be happy to do it for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button down below so that you be notified every time that I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Let me see you better group when the beat drops.